Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Paddletek Bantam TS5. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is a high-performance pickleball paddle designed for players seeking a blend of power, precision, and comfort. Featuring a graphite face and a carbon fiber construction, this paddle offers excellent ball control, durability, and a lightweight design ideal for extended play. The graphite face provides a responsive hitting surface, allowing players to generate powerful shots and spin with ease. Its wide body shape offers an extended sweet spot, enhancing accuracy and forgiving off-center hits. The carbon fiber core adds strength and stability, making it suitable for players of all skill levels. The Mod Z5 is equipped with a cushion comfort grip, designed to reduce hand fatigue and provide a secure, ergonomic hold during intense matches. The grip ensures better control and comfort, even during long playing sessions. With a medium weight of approximately 7.5 to 8.2 ounces, the paddle strikes a balance between power and maneuverability, catering to both aggressive and defensive playstyles. This paddle is USAPA approved, making it tournament-ready for players looking to compete. Its stylish design and professional-grade performance make it a popular choice among beginners and experienced players alike. In summary, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 pickleball paddle combines a lightweight, durable build with superior control and comfort. It is a versatile and reliable option for players looking to elevate their game, offering features that enhance both power and precision on the court. Number 2. Selkirk Latitude. This USAPA-approved pickleball paddle set is designed for players of all skill levels, offering a durable and high-performing option for both recreational and competitive play. Featuring a fiberglass surface, the paddles provide excellent power and precision, allowing players to execute powerful shots and maintain control during matches. The fiberglass face ensures a lightweight yet sturdy build, making it easier to maneuver and swing without sacrificing durability. The paddles have a polymer honeycomb core, which enhances their strength and balance while reducing vibration for smoother gameplay. This design provides a larger sweet spot, helping players make accurate and consistent shots, even on off-center hits. The set includes ergonomic grips with cushioning for superior comfort and anti-slip performance. The grips are designed to minimize hand fatigue, ensuring prolonged play without discomfort. With their lightweight construction, the paddles are easy to handle, making them suitable for men, women, and beginners seeking improved control and confidence on the court. In addition to the paddles, the set typically includes accessories such as pickleball balls and a carrying case for convenience, allowing players to transport and organize their equipment easily. The paddles' stylish design and durable materials make them a great option for both casual and competitive matches. In summary, this USAPA-approved pickleball paddle set with fiberglass surfaces offers excellent performance, comfort, and durability. Its lightweight design, polymer core, and ergonomic grip make it ideal for players of all levels. Complete with additional accessories, this set is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy the game of pickleball with high-quality equipment. Number 3. Onix Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a high-quality set designed for players looking for exceptional performance and value. This bundle includes 2 graphite pickleball paddles, 3 pickleball balls, and 1 convenient carrying bag. The paddles are crafted with a G4 graphite face, known for its lightweight and durable construction, ensuring that players can generate power while maintaining precise control during play. The paddles feature a polymer rev core, which provides a responsive hitting surface and a large sweet spot, enhancing performance in both power and control shots. The RevCore technology also reduces vibration, making it easier on the hands and enhancing comfort during longer sessions. The graphite face gives the paddles added stiffness and stability, allowing for improved accuracy and consistency, ideal for both beginners and experienced players. The set is designed in the USA, ensuring quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. The paddles are ergonomically designed with comfortable grips to reduce hand fatigue and offer a secure hold during intense play. The included pickleball balls are durable and provide a consistent bounce, perfect for both indoor and outdoor games. The carrying bag offers an easy way to transport and store the paddles, balls, and accessories, making it a great option for players on the go. In summary, the Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle offers excellent value with high-performance paddles that feature a G4 graphite face and polymer RevCore technology. This set is perfect for players seeking a reliable and comfortable pickleball experience, whether for casual games or more competitive matches. Number 4. MTEN Fiberglass Paddle. The SLK Halo Pickleball paddles, available in Halo Pro and Halo Control models, are designed for players who prioritize spin, consistency, and power. These paddles feature advanced technology for superior performance, making them suitable for both casual and competitive play. The core of both paddles is the RevCore Power Polymer, which combines lightweight strength with enhanced responsiveness. This core material provides excellent shock absorption, reducing vibration and offering a smoother feel, while also delivering a balance of power and control. The RevCore Power Polymer also contributes to a larger sweet spot, ensuring consistent performance across the paddle face. Both models feature a carbon fiber surface for exceptional durability and spin capability. The carbon fiber face enhances ball grip, allowing players to generate more spin, which is especially valuable for players who rely on spin shots for better control and accuracy. Whether you're executing topspin or slicing the ball, the Halo paddles are built to give players an edge in spin-heavy gameplay. The Halo Pro paddle offers a more powerful response, making it ideal for players looking to maximize their offensive game with strong shots. On the other hand, the Halo Control paddle focuses on precision and control, offering a softer feel for players who prefer a more controlled, tactical approach to their game. In summary, the SLK Halo Pickleball paddles are engineered for ultimate spin and consistency, combining a carbon fiber surface and RevCore Power Polymer core to deliver outstanding performance. Whether you're looking for more power with the Halo Pro or better control with the Halo Control, these paddles are designed to enhance your pickleball experience with every hit. Number 5. Joola Essential Pickleball. The Joola Essentials Pickleball paddles are a great choice for both beginners and recreational players seeking durability, performance, and comfort. These paddles are designed with a reinforced fiberglass surface, offering a balance of power and control, making them ideal for players who want consistent performance without sacrificing feel. The fiberglass face provides a responsive and lightweight playing surface that allows players to generate speed and spin with ease. It also contributes to a larger sweet spot, ensuring that off-center hits still perform well, which is especially helpful for those new to the game. The honeycomb polypropylene core further enhances the paddle's performance by offering superior strength and stability while maintaining a lightweight design. This core provides excellent shock absorption, minimizing vibration for a more comfortable playing experience and reducing strain on the arms during extended play sessions. The ergonomic grip of the Joola Essentials paddle is designed for comfort and control, ensuring a secure hold with minimal hand fatigue. The handle is designed to fit comfortably in the player's hand, making it easier to control shots and execute precise strokes. These paddles are built for both indoor and outdoor play, offering solid durability and a consistent response on different court surfaces. The overall design ensures that players can maintain control while still delivering powerful shots when needed. In summary, the Joola Essentials Pickleball paddles are an affordable, high-quality option for players seeking a balance of power, control, and comfort. With a reinforced fiberglass surface, honeycomb polypropylene core, and ergonomic grip, these paddles offer excellent performance and durability for players of all skill levels.